Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. And in this video, I'm following on from this video here because prices are starting to go back up. And who bought the dip? Because I bought some in the dip. I'm going to talk over a few coins with you and just see what the market's saying. So if this sounds interesting to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching, and I'm going to dive into this. But before I do so, I need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market, so please always do your own research before investing any money. That being said, my God, the only coin that sticks out right now is Dogecoin sitting in 5th place. Trying to highlight it, and it's highlighting the whole lot. This was pretty much the only coin that didn't even care about the dump, because when the whole world was panicking and all the coins were dropping, Doge was like, nah, it's okay, I'll just come up here and, just chill for a bit. And that's what it's doing. So, there's a few more coins that are starting to come back up, but yeah, this one just didn't go down at all. I'm going to break down like the analysis. I don't usually do too much technical analysis on my channel because, I'm good at it, but I'm good enough to know what I know. But I'm going to share it with you for people that are new so you can see a little bit what's going on as well. But yeah, we're just going to take a look at a few coins. Look, Chainlink's performing so well. Just gone up 10% in one day. That is mad. This is going to £1. I can see it. Anyway, let's do this. So let's start off with the grandfather, Bitcoin, because I've got up a Fibonacci retracement, which you can see here. There's all these different colors. It looks funny, I know, for people that are new and don't know what it is, but basically just shows you like places where the coin can hold support. That's basically it in my eyes, because if it falls down or if it goes up, you can always see where it's going to hold support. It's gone up, it's come down, it's held support on a little green line here, and it's gone up. This would be like a yellow line would be like a breaking area, and if it breaks it goes up and it comes down and it holds support. You can see that, right? And if you zoom in close as to what's been happening in the most recent activity with Bitcoin, because we took that dump and it was horrible. Price is falling for people that don't know. Can imagine people going, took a dump? Where did they take a dump, darling? No, I'm on about the price. So, having a look here, it came down, held support on this blue line here. They actually have numbers for those who are, new to the industry, watching and don't understand trading, right? And this is the 0.786 support. That's what they call it. That's what it is. Listen, ain't my fault. That's what they call it. Went up, came down, it just went below it and started to get bought back up. You can see here. Every candlestick that you see, green and red, shows buy and sell. But the thin line here is called a wick for those who are new watching. Because again, I know there's people in the crypto that know this stuff. Just, letting the new people know. And if you see a thin wick like this and goes all the way up, especially underneath the price, it means it's being brought back up. It's buy pressure going up. And, something's happening here. We can't see it on this chart. So I brought up another chart. This one. Now, I've explained to a few people what this is before, and I'm going to show you again. I have two lines, one called the 21-day moving average, which is the yellow one, and the purple one called the 50-day moving average. Now, let me explain really simple what they mean. Whenever you've seen Bitcoin be above this yellow line, it's always held support and it's bounced above it. You can see it held support, it bounced, come down to it, it bounced off, it bounced. And if it's ever gone under, let's see if we can find some under action. If it's ever gone under, then you usually see it holding the other way, the pressure, right? So it's gone under, it sells, and it's usually hard to get back up and it bounces off, but we haven't seen that much with Bitcoin recently because it's just been holding incredible support for months and weeks and however long. So that's why we're seeing it now. But if we really zoom in as to what happened, it broke the support yesterday or the day before. I can't remember when it was, probably yesterday. And because I'm doing a video today to show you now. So, and then it held support at the next line, which is with the 50-day moving averages, right? And as you can see here, anytime it's broke the yellow line, it's come down and it's held support, look, right here at the 50-day moving average. And for me, that's that next holding support. There is more. You got like 100 and a 200, but I just like to show you these for now because this is how I like to look at it. And this is all on TradingView. So if you guys want to, prepare yourself for the future and to know what's to come on TradingView. It's on the daily chart. I just search Bitcoin, and if you want to grab up these indicators, you can do it yourself. You just click on this option here. Which one is it? Is it this one? This is it. And then you just type in the indicator. So for example, if I said moving average, right? And you can see it right here at the top. You just click it. You click it twice, and then you can select the options when you click on it. So you open up this one right here where it says 21. I changed it to 21. I think it starts off on number 9. And the same for the other one, I just called it 50, right? Clear my throat. So that's that. So that's holding support on the 50-day. And, you know, we also have down here called the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, but it's the Stochastic RSI. I like to use this because it's for me, it's significant, because whenever you've seen it fall down like this, where you see the red cross against the blue, let me zoom this one in so you can see, right? Whenever you've seen the red cross the blue and then it all falls down sharp like this, we've seen prices fall, right? And whenever you've seen the blue cross the red and go up, we see prices go up. It's that simple. That is as simple as it gets. So, you know, we saw, like literally, we saw the red cross the blue, and look what happened. The price fell down, Bitcoin took a tumble, it came down. Now, you best believe there's going to be a time at some point where this is going to come down here. It's going to be classed as overbought, because when it comes out of this purple area, it's classed as overbought, and then we will see a little swing like this, what we do price, and then it will start to go back up. And this is how it happens. It's like a cycle all the time. So I hope I've made that super clean and simple. You can do this with any coin. And here's an example. Let's just grab up what? Should we grab up Harmony? Let's grab up Harmony so you guys can see. Because once you understand these simple free indicators, you can use them for anything. And have a look here. I showed my patrons this. And this is why you guys should become a patron. I'm just getting my patron up. Because they get to see things before you do. I keep them up to date. We get to see things and prepare them. We knew that Harmony was coming down to around these prices. I kept them prepared and calm and focused. Okay. I actually thought it was going to come down to this red line. But it held incredible support on this 50-day moving average. You can see it here. You see, held support, and it looks like it's starting to go back up. Now, let's just check if you know, down here, look, the RSI, like I said before, when it goes up, prices go up. When it goes down, prices come down. I'm waiting for this cross on Harmony, because you best believe when this cross happens for Harmony, we're going to see a price rise, and it could go really, really high. So I'm prepared for that, and I'm waiting for that, and so are my patrons. Again, if you want to see this stuff early, so you prepare yourself and you're not panicking, you're welcome to become a patron. I have 7 tiers. Just, you know, pick your choice. Choice your pick, whatever you want to call it, take your pick. And yeah, I recommend going for the buy sell stake alerts, things like that, right? So you can see what we're looking to do when I'm planning to do it, and blah blah blah. It really would help you on your journey. Let's just take another look at some other coins, because like I said, we've been seeing prices just blow up for most coins today, like Vechain. So let's just take I got so many different options. What am I going to choose? Let's choose the Binance, because the Binance is quite popular. So as you look in here, right, Binance is, and again, I'm not the best, but I'm good at what I know. Binance. Vechain, I said Binance, that's why. Vechain is been holding support on the 21-day, which is the yellow line. So, you know, it hasn't even come down to the purple line. It's just been holding significant support and bouncing off it. And you can see it relative, like all the way back here, has been bouncing and bouncing. Came down a bit. Look, see where it comes down? Look, if it does break, holding at the 50. This is why I keep these two on, because I can see what's going to happen. And this is why you should try it out, so you know what to do and when to buy and when to sell. So yeah, held in one day. If this was to come down, which I'm not sure it's going to, because I really do think it's going to go up. But if it was to come down, I just expect it to hold support again at this yellow line. So, you know, this yellow line is going to keep going up like this, and I expect it to just hold support on this yellow line and then keep running. And again, you can see the stochastic RSI. Look, it looks like it's overbought. And remember, we're looking at this on the daily chart, the 1D daily, because you can change the days. You can change the 4 hours, 1 week. We're looking at on the daily. So, you know, if this does come down, it does a cross, then we might see a little correct. We saw it here. Look, we saw it cross down here and come down, but you know, it wasn't a dramatic drop. It was from like, what was this? This is like, I'm looking over here on the right now for the price, right? Because I'm lining it up. It was like 9 cents down to, where's this? 7 cents. So, you know, it did drop a bit. That was this drop here, but it's come back up. So if it did come down, I'm just saying if it does, we don't know, it could come down to 16 cents and then it might go back up. So that's Vechain. Let's take a look at what we're looking at. Let's look at Doge, because Doge had some insane pumps over the last few days. It just didn't care, didn't respect that there was a dump going on. It was just like, okay, you guys fall down, I'm going back up. Look, you can see it here. The pump is insane. It's just been incredible. And look, again, whenever you've had, Doge fall down below the yellow line, look where it's holding support. People lie. YouTubers lie. But the charts do not lie. Please remember that. Again, when it breaks, held support at the 50. Broke above, look, broke above, been holding support all the way through, been ripping absolutely high. And again, this is Dogecoin on the daily. It's so far away from this line, it's likely that it could come down for support, right? Because it needs to come down and correct, in my eyes. Because as you can see here, look what I've been telling you guys. I'm teaching you for all the new people, because people know already crypto. When the red line crosses the blue, we could see prices come down, and this is what we might see. So be prepared for it. Might get a bit more pump, but it might come down soon. This is on the daily, right? So if it does come down, I expect it to come somewhere down towards the yellow line, and that's saying 16 cents. Just be prepared for it. That's all. I don't do this much on my channel, but I thought I would do it this time around because, like I said, we're seeing lots of action happening right now in the cryptocurrency space. Prices are now starting to slowly get bought up. And one thing I like to do is click on the coin market cap. Click 24%, meaning in the last 24 hours, what's been happening. You can see here, look at the pumps, 37% for Neo. That is mad, crazy, ludicrous. Bum. And Dogecoin's sitting there comfortably. KuCoin's gone up. People are using KuCoin exchange and investing into that. So you can see that the market now is starting to slowly recover and take some. People are starting to buy back in so they can get some profits. As I said, I bought something on the dip because I believe that it was a great opportunity to buy. And if you're a patron of mine, you can see it right now on there because I've got it on there. You can see, and you can prepare yourself and start grabbing some of what I got if you want to do that. Not investment advice. I'm assuming that my patrons have bought what I bought because it was a short-term investment. Yeah. So there you go. I'm going to leave it here because I usually ramble on too much and I don't want to do that. I just wanted to share this with you. If it was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. And thank you for watching. Big up to you. I just hit 40,000 subscribers. Nah. Really? Ross. Thank you. I appreciate you all. That is mad. I haven't been paying attention. That is mad. Thank you so much. Listen, when I hit 50k, you best believe I'm doing a live talk. I'm going to be coming on live and answering your questions and answering to you because I appreciate you. Thank you. That's if I don't get the bloody live thing wrong because I got it wrong last time. I was looking for the chat and I couldn't find the chat. I didn't realize that you have to do the video first and then it comes up after. And you have to download this app so you can see what people are saying. Anyway, thank you. I'm going to do a shout out to my patrons. Are you ready for this long damn list? They're going to have me sitting there for 10 minutes. I wanted to do a quick little video. This is going to be going on longer. So let me do this. I might get some names wrong because, I've had to update the list. So, let's just try this. Shout out to Mr. T West. And that's it. Thank you very much. I'm joking. Daniel Atkins. Listen, it's a long ass list. Daniel Atkins, Toyin Oteri, Glenda, It's Time, Kora Black, SM, I Dry, Marco Costante, Jazz, Azari, Michael, AJ, Frank C623, Clarence Dennison, Honcho the First, Christopher Johnson, Jacob Adams, Mr. Anonymous, Suad Shuckler, Lewis Roach, Latasha F, getting higher and higher, Axel, Carlos Watcher, Mr. Tough Food, Damaris, Samo Dan Cox, Rahul the God, Dante Kennedy, RG Bizzle, Raffle Kokinski, Max, Kenneth Whitley, Wisdom, Marcelo Trevino, Redix Robinson, Manny Sanchez, Catherine Chong, Tyron Samuel, Stephen Edward, Luca Reno, Abiola Rachel, Mac, Evan Fong, Pamela Williams, Brandon, Stacks on Racks. I like that. I got Stacks on Racks. Stacks on Racks. Become a bloody rapper, What am I laughing for? Stan Kyle, Rick, Geoffrey Williamson, Omar Thomas, Casper Now, Aaron Davis, CCP269, Good Feels Nice, Lucas, Albert Lynn, hold on, I'm getting there. Dominique, Alexander Manion, Will W, Peter Stoddard, Belinda Spencer, Eric, Belinda Spencer. So you have to get your name out right, you know what I mean? Eric Foreman, Semyon, Fatima Price, Shwanda Owens, Paul Palmer, Tyler McLaren, tongue twister, Josh Wills, Tom Baird, Marcel SSK, JF1905, Kevin Ward, Sasavi, Michael Keel, Christopher Huss, Chris Steed, Peter Mosa, Chris C, Snowy, D Swearing, Andrea Harding, Posey Woe, Eric, Kelvin, Badadem Bard, Okay, William Fox, Esjar, Claudette Tormiliosa, like Wingardium Leviosa. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Gotta do it, you know. Shams Jan, Shakir Hussein, Jeff Tontich, Ricardo Hernandez, Paul Lamerix, Lamar Lee Seeley, Cody Harris, Melissa S, Daniel Hopkins, Cyril, Alexander Ofori, Gilbert Baggins, Stefan, Eric Jackson. I told you this was long. I'm still going. Paul Forrest, Hassan, Zalery, The Don, big up The Don, Carlos Cases, Simon, Kevin Chung, Bleep Bob, Benson Ham, Powell, Russell Cohan, Joseph Marcus, Joshua Menglona, Brett Ellis, Alan Zisman, Calais X Games, I'm saying it all calm and cool and collected now, Crypto Mac, Joda Bomb, Andrea Hall, Andreas Hall, Andrew Queen, Give Me the Gains, There, VidX, West A, M Ali, Rocket, Rocket, because it's got a question mark, Team Crypto 101, Bronx Crypto, hold on, got some bad action going on there. Not even cutting it. Mo C. Hold on. I've got to start scrolling up again. Where am I? Fiat Jassin. Or Jason? Fiat Jassin, isn't it? Elias Yassin. LSS. Mike V. Geronimo Favero. Favero. But I like saying it like that. Oric M. J. Faye. Pierce O'Sullivan. Arash. Chunky South. Saga. Terry JC. Oh, I said your surname first. Ollie. Elton Rosario. Ricardo Ford. Orville Broomfield. Fabio De Sousa. Robbie Rodianto, Frank Essa, Nasser, John S, Ignacio. That's a sick potion spell. I don't care because it sounds like something of Harry Potter. Daddy Handy, Elijah Gilliam, Mandisa Harley, G Crypto Lemon 7, William Kendall, Chris Chico. I told you there was loads. You think I was joking? I'm grateful, thank you. Kieran Conway, NM That Man, Magnus, Francis Loco, Dylan Lowe, Zach Adam, Mansawa, Adil Ahmed. This is why my video takes so damn long. Because I'm calling names. Kieran Phoenix, Jem de Jaguar, Donny Deveriux. I need to put my phone on play mode because I know what's about to come. People be calling me when I'm doing my name calls. Nico McDonald, Mark Coyote, Michael Lloyd. Oh my God, I'm starting to slow down. I don't want to because I've got a bit of... I'm just halfway, guys. Marcus Geary, or Jittery, one of them. Robert Loss. I'm getting it. Exactly. Stony Mac, Steph Smeets, John Lowe, Ken Marrold, Hodlin Training, Seb Screen, Ranjot Singh, Raffle Krupa, Laura Bruce, Aiden, Ejiki Akori, Luke Ainsworth, Mr. Do-Right, B Invest, Anthony Berry, Zero Perfection, Dwight Thompson, Michael Christensen, Ian Fates, TRG Investments, Branko Dorasulik, I got it, Marky Cersei, hello, Ryan Orange, Ryan Williams, Toucan, Daniel Mensa, Santino, Raf Hussein, I'm getting there, Kenneth Holmes, hold on, Kenneth Holmes Jr. and Joel, boom, 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 I did it, I'm super happy. I usually take long on that. Well, that was kind of long anyway, but you know, big up to you all. Thank you all for becoming a Patreon. As I said, if you're still here watching, they become patrons because they get to see things that you don't see. So if you want to see some exclusive stuff, please become a patron. I'll welcome you in. If you have any questions, I'll happily answer them for you and help you set up some strategies that may help you in your future. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers!